We melting lace today. We melting lace today, baby. Yeah, baby.
And I ain't even done. She thought I was gonna chase her. What happened? And I ain't even run.
Which picture you are? Oh, I'm not picture. I'm 4B, I'm 4C. All that does is put you in a category. It does nothing.
I don't want to be in a category.
Nothing. It just lets you know which category we are. I'm in the 4C group. It just categorizes us. It puts us all in different categories.
It ain't my best swing, but whatever. Let's do some hair. Oh, baby. Okay, so details on this wig really quickly, girl. This is the Kim K inspired ombre color lace bob wig. The length is 14 inches, density 150%, cap 7, lace front cap. The knots are already bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. I didn't pluck this wig any extra because I want you all to see what it'll look like.
You cannot grow your hair by knowing the curl type you charge.
Oh, babe. Hold on, Sam. Oh, this is it. She cute. She cute. Oh, whatever. She cute. Oh, whatever. Hook that up under there. Oh, what? Don't take that under there. Oof. Keep from messing up my brows. We're gonna cut that and we'll cut the rest later because I'm gonna try something new. Ooh. So if you've kept up with my wig installs, y'all know that I've been kind of skipping glue. We've been doing lots of glueless installs, but I want to try a new technique, the way that I'm going to apply this basically. So we are still using Got2B gel whenever I do glue my wigs down. This is a gel, by the way. It's not a glue. It just holds your lace down. That way you can kind of keep it on for a longer amount of time. And then I'm just going to hit that with the Got2B freeze spray. And I thought I was going to kind of multitask by letting that dry without using a blow dryer while I go ahead and flat iron the hair. I'm using my NuMe flat iron as well as the NuMe chasing comb. Both of these and all of the other products and tools used will be in my description box down below, but I decided to take it off and flat iron it on my mannequin stand and what instead. Look at that. Look at her. Just misbehaving. What are you? Snatched her wig. So put your T-pins in there if you're going to do this on your mannequin stand. Went ahead and ran the flat iron back through. Plus that helps me to get the back very well. So the new thing that I'm trying here, because I have gelled my wigs down before. I'll say gel for the lack of saying glue. Got2B glue. I'm going to take the comb and kind of press that into the lace. And Ericka J does that a lot on her YouTube channel. I hadn't really tried the technique just yet, so I figured I would take this opportunity to do so. Also, the reason that you don't apply your lace right after you put the gel on is because it's like white, so you have to wait on this to get kind of clear and tacky. If you apply lashes, then you know what I mean about the texture of the glue or the gel that you're using. You kind of press it in, then that's when you go in and cut off the lace afterwards, or at least that's the way Ericka J does hers. And I've been seeing a lot where people kind of take out the baby hair and they bring the baby hair forward and then they tie the rest of it down to kind of guide the hair in a forward direction. So I'm going to try this technique as well. Normally I do use my wrap strips. I get these at my local beauty supply store, but I've never tied the baby hair down in this forward direction, so I want to try that just for a little second. And then I'm going to take the straightening comb or a pressing comb. I got this in my local beauty supply store. A lot of you all were saying you hadn't seen the ones with the plugs like this. I see a lot of people using these type. Yeah, I get them at the local beauty supply store. Everything again will be in the description box below for you all. I'm taking some of the Cheese Silk Infusion. This is the only product I'm applying to this hair. A little dime size amount. Get the little humps out near the part or whatever. I'm going to kind of section the hair and press it out. So you got white?
Yeah.
Classic white?
Don't look right.
Huh.
The other colors ain't gonna look right.
Probably not. White just always look good though.
Yeah.
It's like
classic.
classic.
Used to get colored up.
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to see what kind of pizza I want today. This stuff on the daily pizza of the day.
Pizza of the day. They got pizza of the day.
No, they got different kinds. I just trying to see. I don't know. This pesto chicken is green.
You said it was green?
The pesto chicken.
I don't know about that.
Should I try it?
It might be alright. You could try. You always get pepperoni.
Can I try the pesto chicken? I hope it's good.
It should be. I don't see why not.
Because it's green.
You sound like Ma now.
Green could be healthy.
It might be alright.
I need to get some tea.
What kind of tea you gonna get?
No, I said I need to get some. I got the pissed off chicken.
Yes, she had something different today, ma'am. Oh man. Oh, I'm feeling this brown, blonde, whatever this is. She looking good. She look oh so luscious and oh so good. Like.
Yeah, cheese will be fine.
Cheese will be fine, ma'am. Thank you very much. She can hear me.
Nah. You want to be funny, so.
Yeah. Got that hot comb today. Like these sides.
You got a hot comb?
Yep. This side I use the hot comb when she do her wigs. I turned that off so it's not that hot anymore. So we're gonna go to the next best thing.
Thank you. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. A few flyaways. See if we can time that.
I'm gonna check tea when I get to the house.
That sound good.
I gotta do the pedicure when we get off our break. Like, bro, you know how to do?
She said you know how to do.
Second clear, you go to the show.
Right. So you see how you can see that track right there? We don't want that. So we're going to take a piece of the hair from the frontal. Use some of the foaming lotion, and then the freeze spray helps to kind of lay the hair.
What is foaming?
What you say to side? What is fuck? We melting lace today. We melting lace today, baby. Yeah, baby. Shellac is a brand. Object. So quick technique to get your lace to really blend with your skin tone. I find that I have to do this when I'm wearing makeup, just to make sure that it blends, you know. So I take the same concealer that I've used in my routine, or you can take foundation. Preferably though, sometimes a powder works best for this. And I'm just going to really bring out that parting space and just use my beauty blender. Yep, beauty blender, girl, to make sure that it's kind of blended in and not just sitting up there. And trim at the hair a little bit to kind of feather it. Y'all know I like my hair to kind of feather back, girl. So flat ironed it first. It helps me to see what I'm trying to do. These are not hair cutting scissors, but it's getting the job done on this wig, baby. The new rule is don't knock it if it works, okay? Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. Also, before I forget, while I have this voiceover space to chat with you all, WowAfrican is having their back to school sale, so you all can get 20% off. Be sure to use the coupon code. It'll be in my description box down below for you all. Wood lace. Taking some of this pressed powder, the finisher powder that I use on my face, whatever you use for your makeup, that's what you can use for this. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do a little finishing touches. Back to school. If y'all want to slay, we didn't wear wigs when we were in high school. Times have changed. That's crazy. But I know high school girls rock their wigs now. So if you're trying to slay on your classmates, if you're trying to slay on your teacher, baby, back to school sale, WowAfrican 20% off. Tell your teacher I said hi. Oh, this is so cute. I'm loving this. Oh my goodness. I love when I do color on me. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love color hair on me. I love this color hair on me. Like anything that's brownish, blondish, more funnish. Let me know what y'all think of the color. Now, moving on to this outfit of the day. Outfit of the day to slay at the mall. Casually cute. I'm wearing these sandals. They're from or by Material Girl. My Steve Madden bag is either from Macy's or Dillard's, I want to say. It was hot outside, so you know, I was trying to wing it. My bodysuit, I think it's probably just a little bodysuit from Rainbow, knowing me. What else? Wig is from WowAfrican. I had Chick-fil-A. I had already eaten everything, did my shopping, all of that. Should have filmed it prior to, but we slaying, baby. That's what we do, okay? Look at this. Oh, it looks so good in the sun. It look oh so luscious and oh so good. Like, I didn't say that, but this video is sponsored by WowAfrican. I'm so late saying that. Oh my god. All the links will be in my description box down below. And as always, thank you all so much for watching.